Sanibona bafethu uVandile. So izolo ade kune game ye-Kaizer Chiefs versus iZamalek FC. Leyo match kade kuyimatch ye-CAF Confed lapho khona igame iphele ngo-1-1. Siyibonile ke iKaizer Chiefs ikora igoli siyophela imatch. Siyibonile futhi nayo iZamalek ikora igoli nge-first half. So after leyo game iZamalek bafethu ikhiphe istatement. Ikhipha nje leso statement bafethu muthanda ukufunda la usengaphoza ufunde but ke I'm sure abanye benu ngeke bakwazi ukuyifunda lempahla le because ibhalwe ngolimi lwale yabo iEgypt. But ke sesiyihumusha kuthiwa bafethu iZamalek ilethe icomplaint to iCAF yabo against iKaizer Chiefs. Ilethe icomplaint. Why belethe icomplaint na? Kumdlalo wayizolo uma ubukelile umdlalo wayizolo there were many incidents lapho khona ubonile ukuthi la iZamalek iyarojwa. There were many incidents but ke ngizozama nje ukuyicacisa. Izolo iZamalek izolo ibhalile lapha ku statement sayo kwathiwa badeniwe igoli eliclear. A clear goal was denied by uref yabo with linesman back. Baphinde futhi raise another point ye-penalty. Izolo bathole i-penalty ngokwabo barojwe i-penalty. Bekumele ngabe bayitholile i-penalty bayikora but ke abayitholanga leyo penalty leyo bademanda i-use of VAR yabo sesiyihumusha njengoba beyihambisa nje le complaint le bayihambisa kwi-CAF. This complaint is about oref base Rwanda yabo oref base Rwanda bashaya ama-errors amaningi kule game leya. Njengoba beshaya ama-errors nje i-team enjengeZamalek bafethu akusiyona i-team encane yabo. I-team enjengeZamalek akusiyona i-team encane and i-competition CAF Confederation if engasetshenziswa ama-VAR kule stage se-competition why ngempela engasetshenziswa. Mina sometimes ngibuye ngixa ukuthi kahle kahle la e-Africa izinto yisebenza kanjani. You have ama-VARs, you have i-VAR but awuyisebenzisi kuma-group stages. Uqala ukuyisebenzisa nini? Uqala ukuyisebenzisa kuma-knockout stages. It doesn't make any sense yabo. It doesn't make any sense because amathima amaningi ayarojwa and lento le yehlisa isithunzi sebhola la eAfrica yabo. Yehlisa isithunzi amathima amaningi kanje azoloku ephila ukhipha i-statement kanje njobe eqhubeka ekhipha i-statement kanje. Lento le ibhola lethu la eAfrica ngelithathu serious yabo. Umuntu nje ohlala eEurope angasho ukuthi hawo what is the point of playing a competition without a VAR even on a group stages. I understand kuma preliminary rounds yabo, kuma prelims I understand there but why you are not including VAR kuma group stages? Because ama group stages are very very important for each team ukuthi win the competition. If you fail to win your games in the group stages you won't succeed kuma knockout stages. So why are you not implementing a VAR kuma group stages? Into nje leyo engiyilwela kakhulu kwi-CAF engayi-understand yabo. uMotsepe kumele ayilungise lento le yabo. Asazi esuku kuzowenzakalani ku-Kaizer Chiefs but I don't think yabo kuzodidotha ama-point because there was no VAR. I'm sure there will be fines, maybe kuzofanywa orefi must be investigateile leyo nto leyo but ke iKaizer Chiefs bafethu kuthiwa nje iZamalek ihambise i-complaint kwi-CAF against igame yeKaizer Chiefs. It seems like baney'nsolo zokuthi khona ubukhoshosho benziwe behind the scenes kwafumbathiswa abantu imali kwathiwa abashaya ama-errors kule game le yabo because it was a huge game for iKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs iwinile le game le mhlawumbe bezoba ne-advantage engcono going to their last match against le club le because right now iKaizer Chiefs number 3 njengoba number 3 na 1 point. Game yokuqala bayiluza so igame yesibili it's a huge point for iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi draw against iZamalek because for me iZamalek they are looking to top le group le yabo. Banama chances amaningi ukuthi bayitop le group le. So ukuthola iphuzu against iZamalek was a big thing for iKaizer Chiefs. So right now le club le abadlala nayo first leg ina 6 points. Njo ina 6 points nje iZamalek iyodlala nale club le eyashaya iKaizer Chiefs. So kuzobe kuyimatch emnandi leyo for iKaizer Chiefs. That's a good thing because iKaizer Chiefs mwasi win against le club abayodlala nayo yabo. I-following match bazoba na 4 points. Let's say iZamalek iyashawa na iZamalek izoba na 4 points. Maybe mase kuyiwa ke kubhekwa amagoli yabo ukuthi i-team kanje ikora amagoli amangaka yabo kuyiwa ama head to head. iKaizer Chiefs ingathola ithuba lokuthi iqualify iye ku number 2 yabo, iye kuma knockout stages but ke asazi yabo asazi. Wena ungangitshela lapha kuma comments how do you feel about the complaint le? Do you think it's a valid complaint le elethwa iZamalek?